Hello friends, this is Rahul Lodi and today we will create our first program in PHP. So firstly we have to go our drive where you have installed your XAMPP server. Go to inside XAMPP folder and just double click to exe file. Then you have to start Apache and MySQL. Then we have to go std folder and create a folder like my first program. Okay. Inside this, you have to create a PHP file. So, firstly, you have to download a editor, Visual Studio Code, and you can download any editor like Sublime Text also. So there I am using Visual Studio Code. So you have to just open your folder like this. Okay, and inside this you have to create a new file index.php. .php is a extension of PHP file that indicates this file is a PHP file. So we will start our program. Firstly, we have to write open and close tag of PHP. This is open tag and this is close tag. Okay, and here we will print a string like we will use echo for print a single string or any type of string. So we will print a string here like this is our first program, and we have to terminate that line, otherwise that will give error. Okay, and just save this and we will run our program. So for that we have to open a browser and you have to write localhost, then my first program. Here you can check we can see this message on our browser. Now our program is working and we are able to see this message. Thank you guys. If you like this video, so please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.